We've worked really hard to try to keep you from getting completely stuck on a problem on this site. In this video, I'll talk about some of the ways we provide assistance in working problems. Practice problems provide assistance in several ways. These include help, hints, and related materials. And in an emergency, you can just give up and the site will provide the solution. Hints are generally for simple single-step problems. These are intended mostly as reminders of concepts. Hints, if there are any, will become available after the first submission of a wrong answer. If you submit a wrong answer 3 times, you'll be given the option to give up. The Give Up button will display the correct answer. There are 2 types of related materials. The first category is links to passive activities, such as lecture videos or examples. The second is other practice problems, which should be similar to the current problem and can provide additional practice. Help is for more complex, multi-step problems. The Help window will typically prompt you for solutions to intermediate steps in the problem. The intent is to allow you to identify specific areas where you need additional practice. The Help window may also allow you to explore alternate solution approaches. It's important to understand there is not generally a single correct way to do a problem. First, let's look at something simple like problem 1.3.1. The answer is positive 5 volts, but let's put in a wrong answer, say 2 volts, and click Submit. As we expect, the answer is indicated as being wrong, but we also get a Hints button. Hints, if they're provided, appear after the first wrong answer is given. If I click on the Hint button, I get a piece of information that should help me out. If I input a wrong answer 3 times, I get the option to give up. If I click on that, the correct answer is displayed. Next, let's try problem 1.12.b.3. The answer to this problem is negative 8 volts, but I'll submit 2 volts. The answer is indicated as wrong. A hint button does not show up, which is sort of a clue to check for other assistance tools using this Assistance tab. Click here to expand the Help window. The Question Mark tab provides some intermediate help steps. This problem suggests that you do KVL around the indicated loop and then submit your answer. Solving this equation will give you the desired voltage V. The next section, the 2 pages, provides a list of passive activities that may help you. These generally consist of examples and related lecture videos. Choosing one of these opens a new tab in the browser and displays the information. Finally, this icon indicates a list of similar problems that can provide additional practice. If you click on that, the problem shows up in a subwindow. In some cases, the Help window may allow you to explore alternate solution approaches to a problem. For example, let's go to Unit 10 and look at problem 10.5.A.2. By this point in the class, we've learned a variety of circuit analysis techniques. If we click on Help for this problem, the first thing we see is a drop-down menu that allows you to choose from among a variety of solution approaches. Just select the approach you want, and the Help window will guide you through the analysis of this circuit with that approach. To change approaches, just choose a different approach. This feature allows you to compare different approaches to the same problem. In general, any problem can be done correctly in a variety of different ways. So it's important to become proficient in several analysis methods, so you can choose the easiest one for the problem at hand. Quizzes don't provide hints, help, or give up, so you can't get help with the quiz problem itself. However, there is still an Assistance tab and it will give you related materials and related practice problems. This means that you can study while you're taking the quiz. This should also help you identify specific areas you need improvement in and go get help in those areas. There's no penalty for accessing assistance while taking a quiz. To illustrate the quiz assistance, let's look at the quiz for Lesson 6.2. The Help option on the Assistance tab is missing, but the related materials and related practice are still available. As with the practice problems, clicking on one of the examples opens a new tab and displays the solution. When I'm done with the example, just close the tab and pick up the quiz where I left off. Related questions can give me more practice while taking the quiz. If I click on the problem, a sub-window opens up and the question is displayed. This question has its typical help information. When you close this window, the quiz again resumes where it left off. Your quiz score is not affected by accessing any of the assistance tools on the quiz. We provide a variety of different ways to get help. No matter what type of help you get, though, make sure you use that information to understand the underlying concepts.